welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my skincare empties. So in 2021, I got a lot more into skincare towards the end of the year around August. And I told you guys, you know, I'm getting older, so I needed to make sure that I'm taking care of my skin. Some of these items I was gifted from Amazon, some of them I purchased myself, but I emptied a lot of these and I'm just gonna tell you guys how I felt about them and if I would repurchase. And Amazon sent me another one of those PR boxes with different skincare and beauty things, hair, makeup. So I'm just gonna flash some of the things that they sent me on the side right here so you guys can see. They sent me a lot of stuff, and if you are interested in anything that they sent me in February's beauty box, you can see it right here and you can purchase it. I'll have like a link for you guys. So some things that I'm very curious to try. I'm curious to try this brand is from Lady Gaga, so it's called House Laboratories, and this is the La Luce lip glaze. It's beautiful, a very like iridescent color. Definitely something I want to try very soon. It's a luxurious high shine topper that plumps and moisturizes lips while adding a lightweight multi-dimensional sparkle. I'm here for that. I've been having like issues with my lips, so I have used something else from the Lady Gaga brand, House of Laboratories, which is the PhD Hybrid Lip Oil. So before I did my makeup, I did put this lip oil on, and it's supposed to be hydrating, lightweight, and it's a lip oil that goes on sheer and glassy that melts down into a long-lasting, true-to-you tint. And that's just something I need in my arsenal there. And something else I have tried so far, and if I'm not mistaken, this is a Black-owned skincare company, which is Bolden. I have heard of Bolden, and then I heard it was a Black-owned company, and I was like, that's even better. This particular product is a moisturizer that has SPF 30 in it. So it's the Bolden Brightening Moisturizer, and it has vitamin C, which is made with nourishing moisturizers and robust extracts that help restore hydration and radiance. This moisturizer is gentle and dries on clear without leaving a chalky off-white or purple residue on melanin-rich skin tones. Yeah, so they just sent a lot of really good stuff, and I'll continue to run that on the screen for you guys. They sent some really nice perfumes from Vince Camuto that has a nice floral scent. You know, we're about to transition into spring and we want some florals and, you know, lighter scents. They sent a lot of stuff. So if you are interested in anything that you see flashing on the screen or that I've actually tried so far, then you can just pick it up, use that QR code, or check the description box. Oh, let's get into these empties. And if you like my hair, I don't know if it's up before this or after this, but this is Outre Jenny. If it's not up, I'll still have the Amazon link in the description box and you can go ahead and purchase it, or you can wait for my review. I don't know which is going up first. So the first item I'm going to show you guys that I emptied out, and I've gone through probably 4 of these since August. It's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. So I love the way cleansing gels feel on my face versus like maybe like a creamy kind of cleanser. It just feels cooling on the skin. So it's a lightweight gel that transforms into a silky lather that effectively lifts away dirt, oil, and makeup. With hyaluronic acid, the formula is clinically proven to increase skin's hydration level and lock it in, leaving skin refreshingly clean and touchably supple every time you cleanse. So I like this a lot, and it says it's good for keeping moisture in your skin. And I have ventured into having dry skin as I've gotten older, so that's probably why I like this so much. But I have gone through like 4 of these. This is, you know, a very affordable skincare item. It's at the drugstore. I've been using a lot of higher end stuff, but I tend to just go with this because I really like this. Here is a high end item that was kind of iffy. So I hauled this in October. This is the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash here. I was going crazy over this bottle because I like the green. But so this has, I'm pretty sure it has avocado, broccoli, kale, and prebiotic. Okay, so I feel like my skin was just not used to this at first. The first week, 5 to 7 days I used this, it would break me out immediately. Like I would start to see bumps or irritations form, and I was gonna just throw this away. But then I gave it to Adrian, and when he tried it, his skin broke out too. But I was like, I don't want to just not use this. So I kept using this for several months, like from October until now in my different skincare routines. And my skin got adjusted to it and it was fine. Like, I think it stinks. I don't really like the smell. Actually, it's not bad. It's not that bad. When I first smelled it, I didn't like it. Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. But my skin did react to this in a bad way for the first 5 to 7 days. So, because after a while, I actually did like this, but I don't like that my skin broke out like the first week. So I would definitely go with my Hydro Boost over the Elements, because the Elements is like, I think like $30, and this one is in the realm of like 12 or something like that. So those are the cleansers that I made it through here. So I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, hydrating and pore refining. First of all, I love the bottle. It's so pretty. But I am almost done with my second bottle actually, because I got another bottle for Christmas, and I feel like this works. Like some skincare stuff, I'm not even gonna front, like when I'm using it, I'm like, I don't even know if it's actually doing what it's supposed to do. But I feel like this does. So I feel like my skin, like my pores do get tighter after, and it smells good. If you're somebody that's big on smells, it smells good. If you don't like scents at all, you probably don't like this, because this kind of smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, but I like it. I just like it overall. So this is definitely a repurchase here. I'm probably have this much in my second bottle, so that'll last me probably another month or so. So that's a repurchase. Now this one is probably not a repurchase, because I just felt like it didn't do anything. I was just like, they're saying use a vitamin C serum, you know, after your toner for dark spots during the day. So this particular vitamin C serum here is from Art Naturals. So I picked this up at Target. It's completely gone. I used all of it. And it says, say goodbye to dull, dry skin with our rejuvenating vitamin C serum. Use daily to target signs of aging, hydrate, and bring your skin back to its natural, beautiful glow. So I just felt like I was going through the motions with this. I don't feel like it was actually working. So I'm using the True Skin Vitamin C Serum right now that I got from Amazon. And I actually feel like it's working. And I actually used it on my neck as well, because I want to make sure I'm trying to work on my neck in, you know, this area right here at the same time. So I don't think I would repurchase this, just because I just don't feel like it was actually working. But I used it all, but I don't know. Next up, as far as moisturizers go, I did go through 2 moisturizers. The first one is this one here, completely empty, guys. You guys see that? This is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Cream. Like I said, I like cleansers and moisturizers that are like water gel. This is a water cream, so it's the best of having that watery gel feel with cream. So it leaves your skin feeling very hydrated. Love this, but I went through it so fast. How much product do they give you? They give you 1.6 fluid ounces of this. I guess that's pretty normal. Let me see what's the other ones I have. How much do they give you? Well, in this other one I'm going to show you guys, they give you 2 fluid ounces. So this is a little bit less. I love this. I would repurchase this, but yeah, I would repurchase this. I actually really liked it, and I felt like it was really good in tandem with, you know, this cleanser here, because they're both kind of that water gel feel. So this is a repurchase as well. So far, only one thing I wouldn't repurchase, and I'm kind of on the fence about the Elemis facial wash. Next up, we have the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This is for all skin types. Anti-aging armor, transforming moisturizing super cream. Okay, so this is a straight up cream, and even though I love the feel of water gels and, you know, water cream products and stuff like that, this was nice, and I used it at night. I just wanted something heavier on my skin at night, so, you know, it's all going there. It's nice to have something like thick and creamy like this on your face at night. I would repurchase this as well, but I would just look at the prices, because some of this like higher end stuff, I feel like you can dupe them for cheaper products, but so far I have liked a lot of the higher end stuff. Just this was just kind of iffy for me. Next I have the Fresh Sugar lip polish, and I really need to buy some more of this, because this winter has been brutal on my lips, between it being cold and it drying out your lips and wearing a mask, and my mask irritating my lips, and I've gotten hyperpigmentation on my lips, so my lips are darker now and they're dry and chapped. So I needed a good lip scrub, and I really need to get another one. I'm using a different one right now from Amazon, but I really prefer this one. Yeah, I like this one over the one that I'm using right now. I just feel like the way that the sugar or whatever they use in it is a bit more fine than the one I'm using from Amazon. The one that I'm using from Amazon, like the pieces of sugar are kind of big, if that makes sense. So I feel like this is more fine in texture. Really like that one. And lastly, something that I emptied and will continue to repurchase. Oh, that's not the last thing. One of the last things is the Burt's Bees eye makeup remover pads here. I love these. I need this tonight actually, because I have on this eyeshadow look, and I like to, you know, put that on my lids. Actually, here's my backup here. I have a full one right here. So I put that on that pad on my lids. It loosens up, not only it loosens up my eyelashes so they'll come off easily without me ripping them off, and then it'll remove my eyeshadow. So highly recommend this. This is like a must in my makeup routine. So, and the actual last thing that I have to show you guys is the Clean Towels XL from Clean Skin Club. I didn't even know they sold these on Amazon until recently, and I'll probably have to buy these every single month because I really do use these a lot. So I didn't even know they made disposable towels for your face, like disposable face towels. I will say this is gonna add up though every month, because I feel like this is like $30. Let me double check. Oh, never mind. That's a great price. Never mind, they're $11.95. Ah! Okay, I have my trash can behind me, and I have something else I have to show you guys. I thought this was going to be more expensive, but it's actually not. It's only $11.95 for 50 of these. Yes, that's a great price. Never mind. So that is pretty good. So these are disposable facial towels, so you don't have to worry about bacteria growing on your face towel or whatever. You can use different face towels every day or every few days if that's what you want, but I like the idea of just washing my face with the face towel or cleaning it off and stuff and then tossing it. And it's biodegradable, so it's not bad for the environment and stuff like that. It's extremely soft. Yes, it is. Cruelty-free, vegan, and 100% biodegradable, and you get 50 in here. It's $11.95. That's a great price. I thought it was more expensive than that, so I feel like this is a no-brainer. It's a must for me now. Yeah. So the uses, you can obviously dry your face after cleansing. You can pair it with a makeup remover to gently and effortlessly remove makeup. Wet and use with a cleanser for gentle exfoliation. Pair with a toning mist or toner to freshen up. Face mask, mess free. And clean your skincare tools, makeup brushes, bathroom counters, vanity, and more. It has a smooth side and a textured side, so that is really good. I really love these face towels. Instagram content creator put me onto these, and now I love it. And I do have to have these every month, so I might as well sign up for the subscription that's on Amazon where you get it once a month. Love that. And I had to mention the Cinema Secrets makeup brush remover. Now this is what's expensive right here. So I usually wash my brushes. It's just a chore for me, but this has made it so easy. This 32 ounce, or is this is 16 fluid ounces, and this is quick. It has a quick drying formula, and it's rinse free. So I don't have a sink up here, so I don't have to bring my brushes downstairs and wash them at a sink. I usually use Dawn soap and water, and that's how I clean my brushes, which is great. But if I want to clean my brushes in my office without going to the bathroom to, clean them, This has made this so easy. I swear by this. Now, it does have a chemical smell. Somebody did mention that on one of my Instagram posts where I showed how I clean my brushes with this product. It does have a chemical smell mixed with like a vanilla scent. So if you are sensitive to smells, you're going to be irritated. You might want to have like a fan going, or, you know, be in a ventilated space, because it does have a chemical smell. So that's a little bit of a downfall, but it's not stopping me from purchasing it, because I just purchased another one. Okay, so I'm not just playing with you guys saying stuff so you just buy it. This is holy grail. It's holy grail. So, you know, I'm doing all the skincare, and I was telling Kai this. Imagine doing all that skincare and then putting dirty brushes on your face. It's a no ma'am, okay? So I frequently wash my brushes before I film or before I wear makeup in general, because I don't want to just put dirty brushes on my face after I've done all the skincare and stuff. So what you should get from my empties video, the Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner is a must. The eye makeup remover pads is a must. And I'm gonna say the Hydro Boost cleansing gel. The other stuff was good, and I like the other stuff. Like, I really like this one too, the Glow Recipe toner. I would recommend that one a lot as well. But the other stuff was cool, but I feel like I could find different products probably in a cheaper price point that are that's more effective. This was actually at Target. The serum that I said was just like meh. That's affordable, but I just didn't feel like it worked like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my empties video. If you would like to see more content like this, please let me know. Drop me a comment, talk to me in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.